Today, we do a pork belly brisket style. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. So as you can see right here, we got a really nice big pork belly right here from Prairie Fresh. This one right here, we're gonna cut into thirds. I'm gonna focus this center third right here, this part right here. That's the leanest part of this right here. That way I'm gonna use that for our bacon brisket. So let's trim this bad boy up, let's get it seasoned, so let's get started. So I'm gonna take it right here, I'm just gonna score it with my knife. So as you can see, the one we got here for our brisket today, you can see it's got really thin through here. It's got some fat up in here, which is fine. You turn it over here, you see the same thing here. This is a little more leaner piece right here. This will be really good what we're looking for our brisket. So I'm gonna cook it fat cap up like this. That's how we end up cooking this today. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna come through here and kind of just square it up a little bit, get any outliers out, kind of just get it where it's square. And then just round it off a little bit. That's all I'm trying to do. Just kind of get where it's kind of a brisket style here, a little more uniform to it. That's all we're trying to do here today. And one thing about a pork belly here, when it's cold, it trims a lot easier than it does when it gets room temperature. So do all your trimming before it's cold right here. So my season I'm using today is gonna be salt, pepper, garlic right here. It's gonna be 4 parts salt, 3 parts pepper, and 1 part garlic powder. And I'm just kind of getting that little bold, beefy, kind of that beef briskety taste we're looking for. So let's start putting some seasoning on it. First thing I'm gonna come right here and do, kind of hold my hand and get on the edges right here. I'll walk it around. Then I'm gonna come on here. Pat it in good. Man, you can always smell that garlic. It smells good. I'll flip it over. I'll do the other side. Because I'm cooking this meat side up, I'm always gonna put my rub on the top, always last. So that's how we're doing it this way. So I'm gonna come right here, I'm gonna pretty heavy with it. Cool. So our bacon brisket here has been resting about 10 minutes. As you can see, the rubs adhere to the meat really well. So our Rectech here, 1250 here, it's up temperature 275 degrees. That's what we're gonna cook this on today. So we're gonna take this, set this on the grill, get this party started. So let's get to grilling. So it's been about 4.5 hours. We just probed our bacon brisket. It started to feel the tenderness I'm looking for. I'm gonna pull it out and put it in a cutting board, actually put it in a plate, and probe it, and then probably see where it's at. I think it's pretty close to being done, but let's check it out. Tell you, man, it looks good, don't it? Look at that. Boy, that thing looks pretty. Let's probe it and see where it looks like it's probing at. So right there it is. Man, it's just go through. It's tender, it's 207 right there. It's 212. So yeah, I'm gonna go right here. So I'm gonna pull this off, carry it inside, and let this set in the hot box for about 45 minutes. We let it rest for about 45 minutes. Now we're gonna slice this bad boy up. Let's see what it tastes like. I'm excited about this. This here's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna take it, it's gotta get a little bend to it. It's trying to break on us. So I'm gonna pull it to the side right here. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna go right down the middle of it. We can get a little by a little 1/4 inch slice, just like I would a brisket. She's still not hot. But you can see the smoke ring in this right here. You can see the smoke ring from the bottom and that meat right there. The fat protected the top side. That there looks good right here.
The LZ is hot, repeat, the LZ is hot.
Boy, it's still hot. That's how you cook a bacon brisket pork belly. Elite BBQ Smoker style right there. Don't that look good? This gonna be good right here. Oh my God. That flavor, that salt and that pepper and that little bit of garlic, it just digs down into that bacon. It gives it a heck of a good flavor to it, man. That there is a dang good bacon brisket right there. And it's awesome, it's got a flavor to it. I'm telling you, man, pork is underrated. I'm telling you, you can do all kinds of stuff with pork here, and it is dang good. I'm gonna give me another bite. I can't wait to make some of these here, some breakfast BLTs. Elite BBQ Smoker style with these. Maybe see a video coming out about that. But this is definitely something that I'll keep doing. I'll keep doing these over and over just for having around the house because they're really good. You ready for this? Come on. Di liked it. I reckon Di like it. You will too. And I said a blessing. Let's go eat some supper. Lord, bless food by receiving. Just ain't pray. Amen. Hey, before you leave here, click on one of the next videos. We got a link up, so we'll have another video. So we'll go to this pork series right here, pork belly. It's going to be the burn-ins, or it's going to be the porchetta. Also, we're going to have another link to our latest videos. Go check out some other videos we've done. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. That being stated, appreciate y'all for watching. See you next time. Elite BBQ Smokers. Dolly, here, come on. Give you one other piece right here. Oh.